Hello everyone, it's Maria here from poppycitruscrafts. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to show you how to sublimate on MDF bookmarks. I'm just going to show you basically the bookmarks that I got from Amazon. These are MDF and you can sublimate on both sides. This comes with a packet of 30 bookmarks as a total, and you get 15 larger and 15 smaller plus a bag of tassels, which you just saw earlier. So I'm just showing you the difference in size, and today we're going to be using the larger bookmark. So I'm just putting the smaller one away. And what I love about this particular pack of bookmarks is it comes with some tassels that are different colours. I'm also going to be using butcher paper and a sublimation paper as well. I've got the A4 side, and this is the size, and it's the 125 grams. So what I'm doing now is I'm just peeling off the film. It's actually quite thin, so just be careful when you get these particular bookmarks that you do get rid of the protective film before you sublimate. So I'm just quickly trying to get them both done. You can use your nails, or you can even use a weeding tool or something similar, and you can get that off. So what I'm going to be showing you next is the design work on the computer. So I'm in my Silhouette Studio Business Edition software. So what I'm doing at the moment is just drawing a rectangle from the shapes on the side, and I'm changing the preferences from imperial, so inches, to centimetres, because I find I just get a much more accurate measurement when I use imperial. I just find it easier. So what I'm going to be doing now is pulling up my image from Creative Fabrica. So here I'm just fiddling around, making sure that I got the right measurements, which I did, and all's well there. So what I'm going to be doing next is I'm just moving that to the side, so that's the bookmark size. So from here now I go into my file, and then I bring up, can't read that, my downloads, and then I look into my patterns. I need to get new glasses, I think. Anyway, the pattern paper is humongous when you put it up onto your, when you put up onto your Silhouette Studio. So you can size it down to whatever size you like. So what I'm doing is I'm right-clicking copy, and then I'm pasting that to the previous window that I've got there. And then what I'm going to do is just resize it. So you'll see me fiddling around with the sizing. And then I'm going to, I don't know why these keep coming up, but I think because I'm overzealous in pressing things, it just just brings up all this stuff. All I wanted to do was just move it across. So I've just moved it across now, and I'm increasing the size of that paper, that digital paper. And it's a beautiful background. So what I've done is I was right-clicked, and then I said bring to front. So now that the bookmark is at the front. So I'm just having a little fiddle around to see which part of the pattern paper I want to crop to. So what I'm going to do now is just decide, and I'll keep looking. And then what I'll do is I'll go to, what I'll do next is I will go to object. So I'm going to highlight both of the items. You'll see that in a second. So I'll highlight both of the items like that, and then I'm going to go into object, and I'm going to modify and put crop, and that's how you crop the picture down to the size of whatever shape you want. Or you can do a fill pattern, but I did the cropping because I just wanted to use a certain section of that digital paper, which is why I love Creative Fabrica or digital papers and digital shapes, because you can manipulate them in this software to be what you like. So what I'm going to do now with that image is I'm going to flip it horizontally. So I will be right-clicking and then press horizontal. Now I'm just printing that out on my sublimation Epson F160 printer, and it's all done, and it turned out absolutely beautiful. Love it. So what I'm going to do now is go to my craft desk. I'm just going to bring up my bookmark, and it was just right, but please do make it a little bigger than I did. That was my mistake for not adjusting that size image to be a little bit larger. So, because that way it gives you leeway. So rather than wasting my whole sheet of sublimation paper there, I'm just cutting off what I need, and the rest I can cut to size the next time. So I can use an A5 next time, or an A6 even, to do some printing. So now that I've done that, I'm just getting my bookmark and I am placing it over the top of that image. Make sure that you get rid of any lint and things like that, because when you sublimate lint and heat press it, it turns blue. So it's not a good look. So I've just put some heat tape onto that piece of paper, and I've got some butcher paper here that I've cut to size, and I'm just going to now just fold over that piece of butcher paper to protect my heat press when we go for heat pressing. So now that's done. And then what you'll do is make sure that your image that you want to sublimate is facing upwards. So now I'm just going through the sublimation blanks manual. It just tells you can sublimate between 180 to 190 degrees Celsius or 356 to 374 degrees Fahrenheit. It does not tell you the time. So I had to take a guess. So I did 190 Celsius, 190 degrees Celsius in 60 seconds. I just press the button to press it, to lift it beforehand, because I pressed it by accident before I adjusted the time. So anyway, that's how it turned out. It is a little bit yellow because I think maybe it did overheat just slightly. Maybe 45 seconds is better than 60 seconds, but the temperature of 190 degrees Celsius is perfect. So I'm just going through now the colors of tassels, and I went with the dark green because I thought that was best. So I have a little bit of trouble putting it through the tiny hole, but I do manage it in the end. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found this helpful on how to sublimate MDF bookmarks. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you, and see you again next time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.